Hi, today we will see how you can play music with just some water and a queaky. So first thing that you do is you create a strip like this on the water. Any kind of a moderately absorbent material like paper or some kind of a cloth will do just fine. Check your queaky to make sure that it works. How this works is that the water line over here that you see is completing the circuit which makes the queaky shout. But when my finger is close by, the resistance in that water line is much lower to the current that is flowing. That's why the tone that you hear is much higher. When my finger is quite further from the terminal, there's a lot more resistance that is applicable on the current that is flowing through the circuit. Because of this principle, we are able to make different tones, and using this we make music.